Personally, I don't think you need to be concerned about the stock. I think that there has been this overhang with this competition issue that's been sitting on the stock. I'm very glad that they've been transparent and relayed that to the market. And you take that out of the equation and you're actually sitting on fundamentally quite a sound company. So, the fact that that's in the price at the moment and that it's been announced and the market knows about it, people are taking caution, and you can see that in the share price. Other than that, I say, a stock like Pioneer Foods is probably best placed in terms of a food producer for 2010. And, looking forward, I'm actually quite bullish on the stock. The fact that it's got this little bit of an overhang, until we get some direct transparency as to how much the fine will be, we kind of just have a hold recommendation and just sit back on our seats and watch it.
Give us an update on news flow around First Rand today. We're down 4% just close to the bottom of the top 40 at 19 Rand 67.
What happened this morning is that there was a book build being put in place, and the company was basically selling some shares off market. And I think that the market, and you could see it in the share price, kind of knew that this was taking place. It was announced to the market this afternoon, and you did see the stock come down. The book build was done at 19 Rand 50. You saw the share, I'm not sure exactly where it closed, but
1967.
1967, I think it did hit a low of about 1948, did just dip under that 1950 mark. But, I think that's a good thing, and I think that, they've placed those shares now, they're in the market. You might have some staggers that sit and suppress the share price. The fact that I think a lot of people knew about the book build, you might have had some short-term traders that were pushing the stock down to that 1950 level and then popping back up.
If we focus on the banks, do you prefer any of the banks at this stage, or are you out banks?
I think from a portfolio management point of view, we've seen a nice strong run up in the banks. Some profit taking. I personally was taking some profit in them on the lead up to some of their dividends, the Nedbank dividend, etc. And I'm sort of moving, and I did move into the likes of Anglos, a couple of Billetons. I'm keeping my eye on Exaros, and sort of just doing a little bit of sector rotation. You might find that these banks consolidate at the moment, but my preferred pick within the banking sector would probably be Standard Bank.
In your sector rotation, where do the retailers lie?
Again, they've also had a very strong run. I'm still very bullish on the retailers, and I think they could still deliver some nice performance. And just looking at the trading action in the market, they don't lie down for long. So when you do see weakness in them, I personally reiterate, buy the retailers on any weakness and hold on to them. I think that
if you are invested, hold on to them.
If you are invested, hold on to them. If you have been invested from a year ago, look at doing some portfolio management, taking some profits off the table, maybe doing some sector rotation, but keep your exposure in the retailers. I'm still bullish on the retailers.
Deryck, it is